Welcome to Geeta School online classes. Already we discussed about similar triangles in previous two periods. Now today we are discussing about similar triangles theorem 8.6. In theorem 8.6, two triangles, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. If two triangles are similar, then ratio of their areas is equal to square of ratio of their corresponding sides. First, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. We want to prove this. What the given? Here given one we are calling as hypothesis. First, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. What is the meaning of similar? Two triangles have same shape and different size. Same shape and different size is called similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. RTP required to prove. What we want to prove? Here first area of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC area we can take and by triangle PQR. Triangle PQR is equal to. Here first two sides. First side what here? AB. Here first side PQ. AB by PQ whole square. Next corresponding side BC. Here corresponding side QR. BC by QR whole square. Next is equal to. Here next corresponding side AC. Next corresponding side PR. AC we can write CA also. CA and AC are equal. CA by PR we can write RP. CA by RP whole square. Okay, now construction. What we are doing construction? Here A2 we can draw one perpendicular AM. AM is perpendicular to BC. Here AM is called altitude of triangle ABC. Next in second triangle PQR. From P we can draw one perpendicular PN. PN is perpendicular to QR. PN is called altitude. We can construct PN is perpendicular to QR. After that we can prove first triangle what? ABC. First triangle area of triangle ABC by second triangle PQR. Area of triangle PQR is equal to triangle area formula half into base into height. Here half. Here base we are taking BC is the base. BC is the base and height is the AM. AM we are taking height. Height we are calling as altitude. Half into BC into AM by second triangle. In second triangle PQR. Here QR is the base. QR is the base. 1 by 2 into base QR into height. Here height PN is the height. PN is the height. PN. Now 1 by 2 both will be cancelled. Here BC by QR. BC by QR into AM by PN. This equation we are taking as first equation. Next, here we can take first triangle ABM. We can take half of the triangle. In triangle ABM and next triangle half PQN. If you observe these two triangles here ABM PQN, already we know angle B is equal to angle Q because triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Here corresponding angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. So that angle B is equal to angle Q. Here angle B is equal to angle Q. Next, here angle M is 90 degrees, right angle, perpendicular. So that angle M is equal to 90 degrees. Here also angle N is also perpendicular, 90 degrees. Angle N is equal to 90 degrees. Both are right angle. In a triangle, two angles are equal. These two triangles are similar because angle similarity. Triangle ABM similar to triangle PQN. According to similar triangles rule, okay, corresponding side ratios are equal. Here AM side corresponding to PN. Where is AM? This is the AM. AM altitude. Here Pn also altitude. AM by Pn is equal to, here first two letters AB. Here first two letters PQ. Here AB by PQ, AB by PQ, AB by PQ. This one I am taking as second equation. Second equation. Next, also triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now we can take total triangle ABC. Here total triangle PQR already given. Here given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Both are similar. Both are similar. So that corresponding side ratios are equal. Here AB by PQ. First side AB by PQ is equal to BC. Here base BC. Here base QR. BC by QR. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Then BC by QR, both are equal means you can write any side. BC by QR is equal to AB by PQ. This one I am taking as third equation. This second equation and third equation, both equations substitute in first equation. Now, area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to what we got here, BC by QR, BC by QR into AM by PN, AM by PN. Already we got where BC by QR is equal to what, AB by PQ. Here BC by QR place you can write AB by PQ from third equation. BC by QR is equal to AB by PQ from third equation. BC by QR is equal to AB by PQ into AM by PN. Here second equation. AM by PN is equal to AB by PQ. You take second equation. AM by PN place you can substitute AB by PQ. Now AB by PQ coming two times we can take as square AB by PQ whole square. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ whole square. Similarly we can prove here AB is corresponding to PQ. AB is corresponding to PQ. Next BC is corresponding to QR. Next AC is corresponding to PR. Here first AB by PQ is equal to second BC by QR. Next third AC by PR whole square. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ whole square is equal to BC by QR whole square is equal to AC by PR whole square. This we can say in words. Two triangles are similar. Two triangles are similar. Ratio of their areas is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Like this we can prove. Now we can do one problem on theorem 8.6. Here ABC is a triangle and PQ. ABC is a triangle and PQ is a line. P is intersecting AB at P and Q is intersecting AC at Q. Now the given here AP is equal to 1 centimeter. AP is the 1 centimeter and BP is the 3 centimeter. The given BP 3 centimeters and AQ is 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter and CQ is equal to the given 4.5 centimeters. Now we can prove that area of triangle APQ, a small triangle APQ. This area is equal to 1 by 16 of total triangle ABC. This problem we can do using theorem 8.6. Now solution. In triangle ABC, you can take big triangle ABC. Here PQ is line. Okay, P is meeting at AB and PQ line meeting AC at Q. Now here AP is equal to how much? 1 centimeter and BP is equal to 3 centimeter. Using AP and BP we can find the AB. Here AB is equal to AP plus BP. This both adding means total AB we are getting. AB is equal to AP plus BP. Here AP is 1 centimeter and BP is 3 centimeter. 1 plus 3, 4 centimeters. Total AB will become 4 centimeters. Next you can take AC. Here AQ is equal to 1.5 centimeters and CQ is equal to 4.5 centimeters. Now we can add both AQ plus CQ. AQ plus CQ. AQ plus CQ. Total adding means we are getting total AC. AQ 1.5 and CQ 4.5. 4.5 plus 1.5 is equal to 6 centimeters. 5 plus 5, 10, upside 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 centimeters. AC is the 6 centimeters. Now, if you observe AP by AB, we are using here BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. Now you can find the ratio AP and total side AB. Next AQ, total side AC. AP by AB is equal to AQ by AC. Here AP value how much? 1. 1. And AB value how much? 4. 4. 1 by 4. Next AQ. If you observe AQ is equal to 1.5. AQ plus you can write 1.5. And AC is equal to how much? 6 centimeters. AC is the 6 centimeter. 6 you can write 6.0. Decimal cancel. 15 1 ja, 15 4 ja, 60. 1 by 4. Now both ratios are equal. Both ratios are equal means, yeah, ratios are equal means this line PQ line is parallel to BC. These two lines are parallel, then corresponding angles are equal. Angle P is equal to angle B. Angle P is equal to angle B. And angle Q is equal to angle C. Angle C. Angle Q is equal to angle C. Angle Q is equal to angle C. Now A is the common angle in two triangles. If you observe in triangle APQ, A is getting. In triangle ABC, you are getting A. If you observe triangle APQ and triangle ABC, both are similar. Both are similar. Why both are similar? Corresponding angles are equal. Here first angle is the common angle. A is coming in first triangle APQ. A is coming in second triangle ABC. A is the common angle. Next angle P is equal to angle B. Next angle Q is equal to angle C. So that these two triangles are similar according to angle similarity. Now we can use theorem 8.6. Two triangles are similar. Then ratio of their areas is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Here AP is corresponding to AB. AB by AB whole square. Now area of triangle APQ by area of triangle ABC is equal to. Here if you observe AP by AB, where is AP by AB? AP by AB. Value how much you got? 1 by 4. AP by AB value 1 by 4. We substitute here. Here AP by AB place. AP by AB place. You can write 1 by 4. Square is that square. Square for numerator and square for denominator. 1 square means 1. 4 square. 4 into 4, 16. You are getting 1 by 16. Now area of triangle APQ by area of triangle ABC is equal to how much you got? 1 by 16. 1 by 16. Here area of triangle left side, LHS side it is dividing. It is coming to RHS. Then it will become multiple. Area of triangle ABC here dividing means here coming means multiple into area of triangle ABC. Now area of triangle APQ is equal to 1 by 16 into area of triangle ABC. We got it. What they asked to prove that area of triangle APQ is equal to 1 by 16 into area of triangle ABC. We got it. Okay, hence proved. Like these problems, if you practice again and again, many application problems you are getting. So that practice again and again. Thank you.